Cause who?
Bad bitch, she know what I say so. Big 40s in a big ass Draco. Home range when you ask how my day go. Put up a phone, not a blueberry fango. My fuck move and we change.
Hey y'all, it's Keisha. Welcome to my channel. Welcome back if you are already subscribed, and welcome if you're not. If you're not, make sure you scroll down and hit that subscribe button. I'll wait. Okay. Did you do it? Okay. You hit it. Okay, cool. Make sure you follow me on my social medias, which will be in the description down below, and give this video a thumbs up if you like it at the end. But if you read the title, you already know what I'm about to do. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I got these locks. Okay. How I got these locks or whatever. But I'm gonna be showing you how I got these in my head and what I used, the method that I used, and all that. So if you're interested and you want to see, keep watching. Okay, y'all. So first of all, I was not gonna do my whole hair on the camera because it would just give me an anxiety, for one. For two, that's just extra editing for what? But I left something out for y'all to see how I do it. So this method is glue lace and it's rubber band lace. Okay, you don't need none of that. I got you. What you do need though is some hair. Yeah, so I used, what kind is this? And this one is supposedly pre-stretched, but it's kind of like, it's still like tight to me, so you gotta stretch it out either way. But yeah, so I used this water wave braid stretch or whatever. I don't know what the brand is. I guess it's water wave brand, but I used this one. And then I also used the lulutress. I mess with her. Okay, I mess with this one. And this is water wave as well. I only used one type of water wave. And I did not use the, what is that? The like Cuban locked hair or whatever, because my hair is already like thick. And some of my hair, as you can see, I braided it down enough and then I gave up so you can see it sticking out. But I'm gonna go back and I'm gonna fix it because yeah, it's a no for me. I know you fucking lying. I know they know I'm in here on a video. Like, what? Okay, but anyway, so you need some hair. You need some type of edge control. Whatever edge control you choose to use is totally up to you. But get you some edge control for sure. For two, for three, you need this crochet thingy. A crochet needle. These are like $1.99. You can get them at your local beauty supply, and I feel like I've seen these at Walmart, but don't quote me, but every Walmart be different sometimes too anyways. But that's pretty much all you need. Then what you do is you go through your hair and you part it and you braid the hair. You braid your actual hair like this. I don't know, my damn hair is like the same length as the things, but besides the point. So you braid it and then take your hair. I already have some that's open, but I had to put it back in here because it was getting everywhere. So you take the hair, and I used 2 pieces to make it like the thickness that I wanted it. But anyway, so you take 2 pieces and you kind of anyways, you stretch the hair out. So you see how it's like all like, the curl is like super defined. You want to stretch it out so that way it's like thicker and the curl is a little looser-ish, less defined. So you want to stretch it out, both pieces. Yeah. Hey. By the way, this hair be getting real messy, girl. Okay, especially if you get like a little knot in it, it just gets messy. finger down in and stretch out the hair. Stretch it, stretch it. Okay, so y'all can clearly see the difference. Let me see if I can get a new piece. Oh yeah, a little piece, a regular piece. So like, look, this is a regular one. Yours need to look like this. Okay, okay. So then you got your hair braided. Your whole hair should be braided. You know mine is already braided. So your whole hair is braided. You take your crochet needle and let me see if I can get it up there. Okay. Take your needle and then you stick it through the root of your hair. Then you clip your hair, your weave, not your hair, oh shit. Okay. You take your hair, you clip it on there. If it'll freaking go, it will go. I just can't see. So anyways, you clip it on there. And then bring it through. Hold on, because this one I play games apparently. Okay. Redo. Alright, take that needle, stick it through your hair. Stop playing with me. Anyways, stick it through. This thing gets hooked onto everything except for the hair, apparently. So be mindful. Alright, so then you put that in there, close the clip or whatever, and then you pull that junk through. Then you can let go of this because it just complicates things. So then you see your little loop. You just hold that, like your hair down so the whole thing don't come through, and then you pull a side of it through like that. And then make sure that it can like move freely so that way there's no bumps or lumps or anything like that. All right, and now I can come back down. So once it's like that, let me put this on the way. Okay, so once it's like that, it's the main piece I gotta go. You take the hair, I'm gonna get back up there, and you twist. So one side is gonna go with the braid like this. The other side is gonna do the wrapping. So start at the root and you wrap the root until you feel like it's secure. And you wanna do that tightly. So I do it like 3 or 4 times to make sure it's secure. And then you just start wrapping down the hair, and you don't want to do it super tight, but I do it tight until I get towards like right about like an inch down. Then I start wrapping more softly, so that way it's like, you know, soft, and I can actually make it look distressed. And then what I do is I'll stick my finger through here, the piece I'm wrapping with, stick the finger through, twist it around, and then go under your finger, go under your finger, and let go. You can see, and it's gonna be a little bit looser, but then you just keep twisting, and you do it all the way down your hair. Okay, so when you get to the end of your hair, So let me actually make sure it's the length, because I gotta redo this one, but make it a little bit longer. Okay. Okay, so then you're gonna take the end piece and just pull it upwards, and you're gonna twist and twist the same direction that you were twisting the rest of the hair. And there is one of the little locks. Boom. Cute. 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 And that's how you freaking do it. And then you just do it however long you want the length to be. I would say if you want your hair to be thicker, like, yeah, see how thick that one is? I actually use 2 different types of hair, which is that water wave one that I showed you. Yeah, I use that one, and then I use the lulutress at the top, which is why they appear to be like a little bit skinnier. Not terribly, but just like a little bit, if you can see difference. But either way, it's cute. I like it. Just give it a little close up of the little locks from the root to the titty. Then I'm also gonna spray some leave-in conditioner in my hair. I use Carol's Darter. Maybe I didn't have this for a minute, so it's like, I don't know what's going on with this. But spray this on your scalp. Oh my god. Spray this on your scalp when you're done. And honey, first of all, it smells good as fuck. Secondly, it's a leave-in conditioner. This is going to condition your hair. And that cool spray, it just feels good on your scalp. Promise you. Jesus. Take the lead. Okay. And there you have it. This is the, what is it called? Butterfly locks. Locks. Cause who was period. Anyways, thank you guys for watching this video. If you made it to the end, make sure you're subscribed and make sure you give this video a thumbs up. And stay tuned for more videos because your girl's gonna be back and better. Period.